That leather jacket you love, the one that makes you feel bold, timeless, powerful? What if I told you it's dying a slow death? Cracks forming, color fading, a weird, sticky smell building inside. And the worst part, you don't even know it's happening. Today, I'm going to show you the truth about cleaning a leather jacket at home, and the one mistake that's destroying yours without you knowing. If you find value in curiosity-driven truths and storytelling like this, hit like and subscribe right now. It really helps the content reach more thoughtful people like you. Click the link below to gain access to our free community. As an added bonus, you will get a free top 10 cleaning products guide and a free emergency cleaning checklist. Let me tell you a story. It was winter in Delhi. My friend Zaid pulled out his favorite leather jacket from the back of his closet. He hadn't worn it in a year. It was the jacket he wore on his first date, his job interview, even on his solo trip to Ladakh. But this time, something felt off. The color had dulled, the leather was sticky. Tiny cracks had appeared near the sleeves. The inner lining smelled old. Still, he wore it. And halfway through the evening, he noticed white flakes falling from his shoulders. No, it wasn't snow. It was his leather jacket, peeling. Zaid was shocked. He thought leather was forever. But the truth? Real leather needs care, just like skin. And when ignored, it doesn't age like wine, it rots like fruit. Let's pause here for a second. Do you moisturize your skin in winter? Of course you do. Because dry skin cracks. Now imagine wearing your leather jacket in the same cold air, without moisture, without cleaning, without conditioning. What do you think happens? Leather isn't plastic. It's animal skin. It breathes. It absorbs. It dries. And when left untreated, it dies. That's why leather cracks, peels, smells musty, or loses its shape. But here's the good news. You can fix it. At home, without expensive treatments. Step 1. Dry dusting is non-negotiable. The first step is the simplest, but also the most ignored. Take a soft, dry microfiber cloth and gently wipe down the entire jacket. Front, back, sleeves, seams, zipper areas. You'll be surprised how much invisible dust and pollution your jacket has collected. This isn't just cleaning. It's preparing the leather to breathe again. Never skip this step. Never use water first. Leather hates sudden moisture. Step 2. The gentle cleaning mix. Now here's the part most people get wrong. You don't need harsh detergents. You don't need alcohol-based cleaners. What you need is a gentle, leather-safe mix. In a small bowl, mix 1 part white vinegar and 2 parts lukewarm water. Dip a soft cloth into this mix. Wring it out well. It should be damp, not wet. Now start wiping your just long, smooth strokes. Pay special attention to cuffs, collar, and underarms. Those are the sweat zones. And if you see dirt lifting onto the cloth, that's years of neglect being reversed. Step 3. Drying with respect. Once you're done, do not hang your jacket under direct sunlight. Hang it in a cool, shaded area. Let it air dry, naturally. No hair dryers, no heaters, no rushing. Because heat dries out leather, and dry leather cracks. Think of this as giving your jacket time to heal. Let it dry for at least 4 to 6 hours before the next step. Step 4. The game changer, conditioning. Here's the truth. Cleaning only removes dirt. Conditioning revives life. Use a leather conditioner. If you don't have one, even coconut oil in tiny amounts can work for emergency revivals. But be careful, only on dark leathers. Apply a tiny amount on a soft cloth. Rub it into the leather in thin layers. Don't overdo it. Too much oil equals sticky mess. Let it sit for 30 minutes. Then wipe off excess with a clean, dry cloth. If it opened your eyes to how small habits can preserve big memories, then do like this video and subscribe to the channel. Click the link below to gain access to our free community. As an added bonus, you will get a free top 10 cleaning products guide and a free emergency cleaning checklist. I bring you emotional, story-driven, truth-based content every week where curiosity meets care. Know someone who owns a leather jacket? Share this with them. you might just save a jacket from dying today. Until next time.